A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. From Dr. Shana's name, I convey regard to my all listeners and viewers. Assalamu alaikum. In our previous lesson, we learned the use of qaf and kaf in Quranic verse and Quranic letters. Actually, these two alphabets are originating from mukharaj or articulation point number 4 and 5. From articulation 4, we pronounce qaf, and from articulation point 5, we pronounce kaf. And now we are proceeding ahead, and today we will learn to pronounce mukharaj 6, and the haroof originating are pronounced from mukharaj 6 are jeem, sheen, ya. 3 alphabets are originating from mukharaj number 6. All 3 alphabets are originating from mukharaj number 6, but all 3 are having different characteristics, different sounds. Inshallah, today we will learn all the different characteristics of these 3 alphabets. I want to explain one more thing, that these 3 alphabets Jeem, Sheen and Ja are produced from the middle portion of our tongue, and the middle portion of our tongue is also known as shajr. So these 3 alphabets are also known as haroofeshajar. Mukharaj number 6, when we press the middle portion of our tongue, which is called in Arabic wasatul lisan, upwards and presses to the hard palate opposite to the center of the tongue. When presses upwards to the hard palate, we produce these 3 words, which are jeem, sheen and ya. By pronouncing these 3 alphabets, we saw that jeem and sheen we pronounce as a lengthening voice, while to ya we pronounced as ja, not lengthening voice. The reason is already described in our previous lessons. I will revise it, because if we make the different portions of jeem, it consists of 3 alphabets: jeem, ya and meen. So this is the special characteristics, while if we make the portions of alphabet, it consists of 3 alphabets, and the central alphabet is madda haroof, which are alif, waw and ya. Then we pronounce that alphabet by lengthening the voice. In case of jeem and sheen, there is ya between the 2 alphabets around it. In case of Jeem, I already told you, it is Jeem, Ya and Meem. In case of Sheen, these are Sheen, Ya and Noon. So we pronounce Jeem and Sheen as a lengthening sound, while when we make the portion of Ya, it consists of only two alphabets, Ya and Alif. So no Huroof Madda is lying in between the two alphabets around it. So we pronounce it only simple as Ya without lengthening it. Now we will go towards the special characteristics of these letters. If we take Jeem, first one is, the first characteristics is we pronounce it with lengthening voice. The second one, the Jeem is included in Kalkala letters. It means when we pronounce Jeem alphabet in condition of sukoon, when it has sukoon on it, when it is sakin, it has jazm on it, it will be pronounced with the help of on the right side alphabet and its harkat, and it will be pronounced with Kalkala voice, just as Alif Jeem Zabar Aj, Alif Jeem Zer Ij, Alif Jeem Pesh Uj. Now if we see the use of Jeem in Quranic letter, how we will pronounce it? Yaj'aluna tajri. Now we are going towards alphabet Sheen. The first characteristic of Sheen is that we pronounce it with lengthening voice. The second one, the Sheen alphabet is included in continuous words. Continuous words are those words when we pronounce them in with the sukoon, our voice will remain continued. It will not be closed with a cutting sound and not with kalkala sound, not with resonance. Our voice will in a small amount remain continuous, as Alif Sheen Zabar Ash, Alif Sheen Zer Ish, Alif Sheen Pesh Ush. And if we want to see its use in Quranic letter Yash Kuru, now we will learn to pronounce the alphabet Ya and its characteristics. Already the first characteristic we learned that the alphabet Ya will not be pronounced with a lengthening sound because it has only two alphabet. They unite and make the alphabet Ya. Ya and Alif. And to make the lengthening wise, we need at least three alphabets to make the referred alphabet. Likewise, Sheen, it has Sheen, Ya and Noon. Ya Madda is inside the two alphabets. So in case of Ya, when we make portions, it consists of only 2 alphabets, so we pronounce it just as ya. This is a condition when there is zabar, there or pesh or ya. We pronounce it as without lengthening of our voice. If the ya has zabar in Quranic word such as yafqahun, if it has there such as yadayillah, inshallah ta'ala, I am sure that you must have learned the pronunciation of these 3 letters which are arised, pronounced, produced from mukharaj or articulation point number 6. And if you have learned something and you understand something from my lesson, for the more understanding, you have to watch it 2-3 times and practice it much more time. And if you like it, please subscribe my channel, like it, comment it, share it with your family members and friends so that they can also be benefited, and they can also learn how to recite Quran Pak properly. Please give permission to Dr. Shahnaz Naeem. Till next lecture, Khuda Hafiz.